Welcome learners for the lecture 11 of a linear algebra. In the previous lecture we consider or the explanation of the sum of the linear transformation getting as a null spaces and ranges, but in this lecture we consider as the example depending on the this form of the linear transformation. Okay, let us go started as the linear transformation lecture. Example second. First example will be given in a previous lecture. For an angle theta, define t theta to r2 to r2 by the rule t theta a1 to a2 is a vector obtained by the rotating of the example to getting as a form in the rotation to the projection of the form a1 to a2 counterclockwise by a theta is a1 to a2 is not equals to 0 to 0 because rotation will be generated in a one form to the another form. They generated as a sum of the angle, not getting as a both of this form x and y is a 0, and t theta first getting as a a1 to a2 that is a 0 to 0 equals to 0 when using as a theta. Okay, then t theta to consider as a r2 to r2 as a linear transformation that is called as a rotation by theta, not getting as a any clockwise or anti-clockwise in the form. We determine as the explicit formula for the t0 for the non-clockwise vector is generated in the non-zero vector a1 to a2 is an elements of the R2. Let A be the angle that will be generated in the form of the A1 to A2 makes the positive x-axis in the figure and y-axis to generated in the form of the let r generated as a formula means a radius will be considering that is the square root of a1 square plus a2 square. And what is meant by a1? A1 is a cos theta and b1 is a means this consider as a a2 that is a r sin theta. Okay, but in this form a1 equals to r cos alpha and a2 equals to r cos alpha, r sin alpha, sorry, sin will be considered in this form. T theta is considered as a a1 and a2 has a length as well as the radius will be considering in this form. A consider as a some positive angle with respect to positive x-axis in this form. Okay, it follows that some considering in the explanation to generated in the addition of two form t theta a1 a2 equals to r cos alpha plus theta and r sin alpha plus theta will be generated. Then they containing as the form r cos alpha, cos will be containing a plus b. What will be the form of this equation is generated r cos alpha plus r cos theta considering in this form. Then r cos alpha into cos theta minus r sin alpha into r sin theta will be generated, and r cos alpha into sin theta will be generated in the, because they both are the multiply of the each other. For r is a common in this form, but another form will be generated in this equation of this form. Okay, first we'll be considering r cos alpha into cos theta minus r sin alpha into sin theta, and another form of a sin r sin alpha. Then t theta a1 a2 is generated in the form r cos alpha plus theta into r sin alpha plus theta will be generated. What is the formula of a cos alpha plus beta? R is a common in both of these equation. What is the formula? Cos a into cos b minus cos sin a into sin b. Okay, this formula will be applied r cos alpha into cos theta minus r sin alpha into sin theta. This is the formula of a cos. Another formula of a sin r cos theta into cos alpha into cos theta plus r sin alpha into, follow that t0 a1 a2 is generated in the form that is a r cos alpha plus theta r sin alpha plus theta will be generated. What is the formula will be applied? R cos alpha into cos theta minus r sin alpha into sin theta. And another sin formula r sin alpha plus theta. What is the formula? R cos theta cos alpha into sin theta plus r sin alpha into cos theta will be generated in this form. Both of this explanation will be different in this form. You know that r cos alpha means a1 cos theta minus r sin alpha means a2 sin theta generated in this form, and a1 cos alpha means a1 a sin theta plus r sin alpha means a2 cos theta will be generated. Okay, put up to the all value when using in this form, explaining to the equation of a generator. Finally, both of this observation is showing to the a1 a2 equals to 0 0. It follow that easy to show as a way in using as a previous example, that is a1 cos theta to a2 cos theta. Show that to the now to easy way as a previous example means a lecture first example will be showing to how to the this rotation, projection and a reflection will be showing as a t theta for the x-axis as well as y-axis. Hence, this form will be generated. T theta is a linear form. Next is the example third will be using. Okay, let V equals to CR, the vector space of a continuous real value function on a R. Let AB is an element of the real value function. A is a less than B, means a B is a greater than A. Define T V to the R by using as a equation. Okay, let us go started. What is the proof of this example? T to consider as a V tends to R by a T function equals to integration a B to a f of t dt for all function f is an element of V, then T is a linear transformation considering because the definite integral of a linear combination of a function is the same way of the linear combination of a defining integral function. Defining integral function to joining to the equation of the integration a to b of this form. All of this will be considered as a continuous real value function on the R.